Hello good people, and welcome back to another video by yours truly, Super Sam, aka Sipho Sam, or otherwise known as, or rather popularly known as, Ukuhle Bawatutuka. So as you can see in the background, we're in a different setting. That is because I have a haul for you guys. Yes, a haul. I have a haul for you guys. So these are essentials that I've been meaning to get, but because your girl doesn't want to spend some coin, I just put off buying them until this one fateful day. Your girl was flourishing, hey, and I happened to be at the mall, and I had a YOLO moment. For those of you who doesn't know what a YOLO moment means, it's when you know for sure you're about to make the wrong financial decisions, but because there's that left devil that sits here on your shoulder, then you be like, no man, I deserve this, let me spoil myself. Or rather, you tell yourself, no man, these are essentials, I've been meaning to get these things, and I just got paid, why not? Never mind the fact that you're going off the budget. So yeah, that's what happened that day, and then I bought these things, right? So it's really essentials that I do really need. Number one, I just wanted to give my living room a bit of a different look. Some things that I know that I can be able to take away when I am tired of, but at the same time, some things that will, give my living room a bit of a facelift, right? And I will have a dining room decoration video. Stay tuned for that. And I bought some stuff for my nail business. I bought some stuff for, my studio / office, right? So before we go any further, can you guys hear that song that's playing on the background? That song is Bambelela by Madoda, or otherwise known as Ulava Lava. So I'll put the link of the video down below in the description box if you'd like to check it out. Okay, so moving right along to the reason why we're here. Oh, this video is featuring the Bevs. It's a long weekend after all. Okay, never mind that. So on my right, my ultimate favorite, my baby. I got this plant, I bought this plant at Mr. Price. So I am a new plant mom, or I've recently starting to adapt plants, right? So I am currently adding to that collection that I have. There is my baby, my firstborn baby. Let me show you her, even though she's not new. This is my firstborn baby. Her name is Hlehla. And then I have two other. Oh, I got Hlehla from Pick n Pay. Was it Pick n Pay, baby? Yeah, I got Hlehla from Pick n Pay a while back. She's growing so well. Low maintenance, minimal. Yeah, she's very low maintenance. And I got two others from my mom. Well, I forced her to give them to me because she didn't want to. And then the fourth born. And during this time that I've had this baby, I've grown, or rather I've inherited a grandchild, which is this one here. This one. So moving to Mr. Price Home. So first off, I got this baby from Mr. Price Home, and I've got this baby. So at the moment my living room is gray and white, so I wanted to change it up a bit. Those who know me know that I like shifting and changing things around so much that when I clean at home, even though I do a great job at it, but my mom would be stressed out because she'd have to look for her stuff because I've placed them somewhere. Okay, so it's these two. And my ultimate fave, this baby over here. Ooh. And I got this as well, a diary. right? I do have one at the moment, but the one that I have is so old. I think I got that in 2018. So I just thought that it's time, and especially me starting out new things, you know, all the ideas that I have for the channel. So I thought this would be perfect. This would be perfect. And also, speaking of the ideas to the channel, can we celebrate the channel reaching 40? Oh, I almost said 40,000. The channel reaching 40 subscribers in 2 days. Birthday. Thank you guys so much for your support. It's highly appreciated, and it's motivating as well, you know. It gives a person that reassurance that you're doing something right. Thank you so much, guys. I do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Anyways, moving right along and taking nothing out of that statement. So I went to, well, I first started at China Mall, but at China Mall I couldn't find these colors. So I just took what I could get there at that time. I remember this was 85 rands, the actual cushions themselves. So I got 2 of these. And then I also bought these babies. I forgot how much they were, but I'll link the price. They were also selling the cases as well for these. So I wanted 2 of them. One for the bedroom and then the other one for the backdrop for my nails. You know, that, so you have it before. So at least you have something cute as the background. Moving to Takealot. So your girl has gained a lot of weight, especially during lockdown. So I will be starting, or rather I'll be going back to Banting very soon. So I also want to document that process of me, you know, losing a bit and also turning up. Yeah. So I thought I should get myself some equipment. So these are the gliders. And then I have ankle weights as well. Right. Oh. Okay. And then okay, these are some nail goodies. In here I have filers. I have some nail products from Planet Nails. Some acrylic, yeah, those good stuff. Once I start my nail channel, I'll be more in detail. I don't think you guys would be interested in this, but these are my nail goodies. I got these at Planet Nails. Moving swiftly right along. Oh, and the Takealot, I also got these babies. These are the resistant bands for your glutes, right? So I want to turn up, as I said before. So it comes in 3 pairs, and I think this was 130. As I said, I'll link the price again. So it's these 3 babies. And it was a while back when I got these, but I haven't used them yet. Because you know, procrastination. Okay. And then I got this bin for my office at Pep. I think it was 14 rand or something like that. I'll also link the price of this in the video somewhere. I got a wig stand. I think I got this from Clicks, if I'm not mistaken. I'll also link the price of it. Right. And then I got this baby. This is a 4-drawer plastic storage. It's perfect if you're on a low budget and you really don't want to buy that. I think they call them the boyfriend chest of drawers something. Because I went for a quote and they were charging like 3,000 or something of that sort to do that thing. And then I was like, I don't want to pay that much, but I started searching online for these babies. The 4 drawers, the wheels with the wheels, for 479 rand. So that's a bargain as compared to, you know, the other places that I've searched. And I'll use this for my nail product storage. I'll also do a DIY of this where I, you know, zhuzh it up and, you know, yeah. I'll also make a video on that as well. Ooh. And then last but certainly not least, we've got a Clicks ball. Yay! So, you've probably seen some of these products from my introduction video. I bought the mirror on the table mirror, right? Beautiful. It's this one actually. I've already used it. As you can see, it has fingerprints and stuff. That it helps a lot when you're doing your makeup. It's perfect, and it doesn't distort the way that you look as well. Okay, this will be the last one. I also bought a mixer, right? Also, side note, I'm also starting to be intentional about growing my natural hair, and I've started watching YouTube videos that really share how I should, or rather what products I should use to grow my natural hair. So I found this to be an essential in one of the, it was shown in almost each and every video. So this is for that. Yeah. So also in the midst of me being intentional about growing my natural hair, I also bought these hair products. So this is the Jamaican and Mango Lime Black Castor Oil from Clicks. This is the Eco Styling Gel. I tried this out. It doesn't really have a hold, but yeah, I guess it's good for like stretching the hair and, you know, giving you a sleek look, but it doesn't really hold the hair, if you know what I mean, for those flakes and stuff. I also got this Deep Penetration Moisturizing Conditioner from Afro Botanics. I got Auntie Jackie's Seal It Up Hydrating Sealing Butter, right? And I also got this Cantu Curling Cream, right? I can't wait for this journey. I can't wait to like grow my hair, my natural hair. And also guys, if you have any advice on what I can use for my hairline, I have like receding hairline, it's so bad. Like the moment someone really pulls hard on my hair, it's gone. So yeah, the last hair, not the last one, the one before that one really pulled my hair. So it hasn't really recovered after that. So if you have any suggestions on what I can use, then I can also film that as well, like my journey to actually regrowing my hairline, right? Oh, better yet, that can be another YouTube video where I actually take you on a journey of me growing back my hairline. Okay, and then for makeup and jewelry storage, I bought these two babies. Yeah, because my wardrobe is currently looking like a mess. So yeah, I'll link this. So this is the first one that I got, and this one is the second one that I got. I'll show you a before and after snippet of these two. Okay, I already showed this. Okay, and then I also bought this absolute translucent powder. This one looks magic. Oh my goodness, this is so good. I love this. Okay, I also bought a shower cap. Oh. Yeah, even my earrings are falling off. Ooh, I can hear Zukiswa saying in my ear, but was that in the budget though? No, it wasn't in the budget though. But as I said before, YOLO. And then I also got this trimming scissors from Clicks as well. Again, while I was watching the videos, it was advised that you trim your edges at least once a month. I've never trimmed my edges, sorry. You trim your ends, yeah, your ends once a month. So I've never done that, and I guess that's why also my hair is falling off, because it has knots, even though I detangle my hair, but there's still knots that are left there. So yeah, I got this baby. And then I got 2 mask sheets. I don't know why, but for some reason my face is drying up these days. So I got these hydrating sheet face masks, and then I got a water bottle from, oh, these are from Dis-Chem. Yeah, I got this water bottle. We can also get this from Chinatown. Yeah, but it was too far for me to actually go. And then my ultimate fave, the long-lasting eye pencil. I actually noticed yesterday that I'm out of these babies. And then clips. As you saw in my last video, these come in handy. Like, they come in handy. They are actually an essential. Very underrated, but very much needed. Okay, and then on to the last baby, an investment. When I told you guys I'm making moves this year, hey, we got no idea. So I bought this much needed straightener. Number one, because I want to start doing my own hair, like washing my own hair at home. And then number two, I want to actually start doing other people's hair as well again, right? Because I used to do that, but then I stopped. But I really want to get back into doing other people's hair around the complex, because I do know that things can be quite expensive this side. So I see this as an investment. And yeah, ooh, we still have more things. I know. Hey, no wonder I'm so broke. Okay, so this is the very last one. These are literally my savings for the month gone. So please, can one invite me anywhere this month? I'm flat broke, I don't have money. Okay, so remember that DIY project I told you about? Yeah, so this is for that. This is the stick on, what is it, wallpaper. Yeah, so it's self-adhesive vinyl plastic. So yeah, this is also for the DIY. Back on that journey of getting back into shape and working out, I got this baby. This is the resistance band for yoga. I got a skipping rope, and I got a halt belt. You know, this thing, this must go away, son. Must go back to where it came from. And then yeah, woo, that's all. Finally, I was starting to have heart palpitations on my goodness. Okay, so that is all, guys, for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like what you saw, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You must share with your parents, with your sisters, with your brother. I do see myself reaching 5,000 subscribers by the end of this year. 5,000 subscribers. Please, can you please make that a reality by once again subscribing, watching the video, liking, and doing all that fun stuff. Till we meet again, bye.